Hello, I'm Ashok Thakkar, CEO of ITTI LLC. I thank you for visiting our website. ITTI LLC is a global alliance management company specializing in arranging joint ventures and managing supply chains with concentration on India. We strive to become the gateway to India for global enterprises and freshly minted entrepreneurs and inventors. ITTI began operations in August of 1984 in USA. Today, we stand proudly in front of the global business community with a long track record of accomplishments emphasizing superior knowledge, exceptional project management, flawless execution, high integrity, and superior ethical standards. Today, we have expanded our reach beyond North America to become a global gateway to India for companies wishing to manufacture their products in India or form joint ventures with Indian partners. Our name is recognized in North and South America, Europe, Australia, Singapore, South Africa, India, and a number of other countries in Asia and Africa. For joint venture projects, we offer thorough search for Indian partners, formulation of entry strategy, mergers and acquisitions, market research, buyback arrangements, due diligence, legal services, accounting services, and post-entry support such as HR support and engineering services. For supply chain management projects, we offer contract manufacturing with guarantee of zero defects quality, ironclad protection of intellectual property, and 97% on-time delivery performance. We provide turnkey services from design to packaging, ready for wholesale and retail shelves. On our clients' behalf, we can obtain certifications such as UL, CSA, ETL, US FDA, EME, and ANVISA, and more. Here is our promise to you. The quality of our products and services shall always be at par or will exceed global standards. We strive for and achieve excellence in all our transactions. Today, we have highly capable Indian partners producing variety of products ranging from PC board assemblies to composite molding to CNC machining to sheet metal fabrication to major design and development projects. We can manufacture mechanical, electrical, and electronic products for American and European markets. We have also developed expertise to bring new inventions to market. In early 2011, we redesigned and produced a carbon monoxide-free propane gas heater for the North American and European markets. Back in 2008, we redesigned and manufactured heated wiper blades for a Canadian inventor. In 2010, we added contract manufacturing in pharmaceuticals to our long list of offerings. It is with the support of our wonderful clients that we have grown 20,000% between May 2004 and December of 2010. We will be happy to provide references from our highly satisfied clients. We make progress because we have ethics, knowledge, integrity, exceptional quality, and competitive pricing. We provide the highest value. I thank you for your time. Please call us and let us give you details for your specific project. In the meantime, please browse through the rest of this website. Thank you.